Hey guys. See my neck? See how I'm just like twisted like this? Yeah, I should stay like this for like 2 more days. Cut. Cars. It's like the, see, ow, my neck. Yeah, so apparently I pinched a nerve the other day, and I can't move my neck or else it hurts really badly, but hello, welcome to another video. It's a sad video because of what's going to happen later on. There's a lot of cars everywhere. Can everyone please be quiet? My neck hurts. Come on, man, my neck. And the power went out last night for like 7 hours, so that was horrible. This just is a sad video, but we're gonna make it happy. Ready? Let's go get some lunch. See my neck? I'll see you guys on the other side.
20 minutes later.
Hey guys! You guys, I have a huge announcement. So even though I have a neck brace, I'm actually going on a date right now. It's pretty cool. Are you ready for my date? Aww.
So cute.
I look like that one villain from The Incredibles. You guys know what I'm talking about. So I'm not sure how to exactly eat a taco with this thing on, but we're just gonna try. Yay! We just got jiggy with that Urban Outfitters. We got some stuff.
To be a jiggy
Look at those
fellow.
socks. Neck brace gang.
Neck brace gang. You maverick.
Shorty call me Neck cause I'm next up.
Hey Siri.
You see, I really like the shirt I'm wearing today. Zach, do you like your shirt?
I love my shirt.
What's your shirt?
I do feel like a jiggy fellow. That's super jiggy.
Zach couldn't commit to the burps.
They weren't jiggy enough. So we're gonna go to the Gucci store tomorrow.
Yeah, we're going to the Gucci store now and getting Gucci slides. So now we're getting to the sad part of the video. So basically I'm sitting in my Prius right now, my car, and I don't know the next time I'll be sitting in this car because it is completely screwed. And we're not going to keep it anymore because it's way too expensive for how many miles there are on the car. I absolutely love this car. I would fix it if I could. I love this thing to death. It's been through so much with me. Countless trips to LA. We drove it through like 1.5 feet of water with Garrett when we did the thingamajigger in the flood.
Oh wait, that's freaking sketchy.
It's been drifted, okay, we've done some other stuff in it. There's been just countless amazing memories in this car, and I will never forget it. I still need to find something that like I need to rip off just to like remember it, maybe like the emblem on the steering wheel or something. I'm not sure yet, but I don't know what we're gonna do. I need to buy a new car, which is just screwed up because I don't have money. Okay. We can't really sell this for a lot of money because the engine's screwed and it has a lot of miles and it's just wrecked, but I still want to get rid of this car. I love it. But you know what? We're gonna do a nice little artsy edit for the Prius. Probably the last edit of the Prius you'll ever see. Roll it. is gonna wrap it up for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching it. If you want, subscribe, leave a like, you know what to do. But can we get some RIPs in the comments for the Prius? I love it. But I will see you guys on Tuesday. Peace out.